Welcome to Aqua Farm. Today we are excited to take you on a tour of this incredible facility where science and sustainable come together. As a part of Group 3, we will be focused on the water quality measurement meter, but first let's explore the main highlight of Aqua Farm. Our journey began with the fish species tanks and pond, home of variety of species. Next, we have the circular water system, a sustainable design that allows continuous water flow. Here is the sac reversal seed production pond. The incubation facility is where the next generation of aquatic life begins. This is the water testing lab where Aqua Farm professionals monitor water quality. Finally, we have the aquarium stunning example of ornamental biodiversity.
Our main task is the water quality testing. So basically, after our supervisor at the lab has shown us around all of the equipment, he has pulled out 4 tests for us to do. Those tests include the nitrite and ammonia test. There's also the acidic water test, which is test the pH level of the water, as well as the O2 test to measure the oxygen level inside the water, and the salt thermometer to measure the level of salt inside the water itself. For the first test that we did is the ammonia and nitrite test. For the ammonia and nitrite test, first we go outside to collect the water from the nearby pond, which we choose pond A and D. After we collect all these water sample, we put it in a bottle, and then we transfer those water into a small container of 5 milliliter each, and then we drop the solution of ammonia and nitrite into separate container to test the amount of ammonia and nitrite concentration inside those water. And then after we drop all in following the droplet number given on the bottle, we shake the solution, and then we wait for 5 minutes for everything to be mixed and settled, and then we use the flashcard that is given to us to compare the color to determine the amount of ammonia and nitrite inside the water. After we determining the ammonia and nitrite, we move on to the pH level test. For this pH level test, we use a sophisticated instrument that is used to measure the pH level. Basically, just put the tip of the instrument inside the water, and then the machine would automatically find the level of pH inside the water itself.
And another test that our team conducted during the activity in the farm was DO test, or we call it dissolved oxygen test. So this test has the purpose to measure the water quality. So in order to find the water quality that is good for fish or any fishery in the farm, so we want to find the oxygen level that is not below 3 microgram per liter or 4 microgram per liter. So in order to conduct this test, we're using an electronic equipment called OxyGuard Polaris-C dissolved oxygen water meter. So this test we conducted on the 2 ponds that we took water sample from, so pond A and pond D. During the testing, we found that our result was very good. The oxygen or DO or dissolved oxygen level is not below 3 microgram per liter, the results were 4 to 5 microgram per liter, which is a very good level for the fish in the pond. And the temperature of the farm or the pond was 26 to 25 degrees Celsius. And also the saturation percentage is between 50 to 60%. As you can see, this test is very important to find the water quality, which is important for fishery farming, aquarium or pond. So throughout the whole process or activity of our farm visiting on the aqua farm, our team have learned a lot from the visiting on the farm. And thank you to our instructor, Dr. Poterat, and the aqua farm of Royal University of Agriculture that provide us this opportunity to learn more about fishery, aquarium, or water-related environmental perspective. And to put it in a very short way, our team got a lot of perspective, knowledge, and practical perspective on the environmental knowledge. So we got to visit and know a lot of aqua or water related knowledge from the visiting in the farm and the University of Royal University of Agriculture. Thank you.